Hello, Bart. Look at this picture. Where is the big tree? This is the big tree. Where is the sun? This is the sun. Where is the rock? This is the rock. Okay, now look at these pictures. Where is the maple leaf? This is the maple leaf. Where is the birdhouse? This is the birdhouse. Where is the pumpkin? This is the pumpkin. Now look, I'm putting the pumpkin on the sun. Now you put the pumpkin under the sun. I'm putting the pumpkin under the sun. Okay, where is the maple leaf? This is the maple leaf. Put the maple leaf near the rock. I'm putting the maple leaf near the rock. Okay, where is the birdhouse? This is the birdhouse. Put the birdhouse on the big tree. I'm putting the birdhouse on the big tree. Okay, thank you, Bart.